Hey, so Andy Markus, the Chief Data Officer at AT&T, I just wanted to say it's such an honor, right, to be part of such an organization of really smart people. People push each other, right? We're really trying to do the right thing for AT&T. We've got smart people with the right intention, and when that happens, when it comes together, we have incredible chemistry, and we're able to make a difference. And that's what makes it awesome to be part of this team. What the Chief Data Office does, we have a couple functions, right? The very first thing, right, is that we set the vision for data and AI across AT&T. Again, we have a lot of people doing data and AI, and that's fantastic. But we set the vision, right? The right architecture, the right standards, the right processes, right? And then we encourage people. We evangelize this. We set the bar high, right? We want to make AT&T great at data and AI. And we're capable. We're extremely capable. And the most important thing we do is we execute, right? We have about 800 really smart data engineers, data scientists, engagement folks, delivery folks, project management folks that help us deliver this value to the business. And that's why we're here, okay? We are part of AT&T to deliver value. We're incredible technologists, but we're here to make a difference in how AT&T serves its customers and serves its stockholders and shareholders. So James asked me to include this slide. I never really talk about myself, but I'll do a little bit of it. So Roll Tide, I have an undergraduate degree and a master's degree in statistics and a minor in computer science, but I bleed crimson. You all do too. Love the university, love the football team. As I mentioned, right, we're here at AT&T to use data and AI to drive value. That's what a statistician does, right? That's what a data scientist does, right? Throwing math and throwing compute at data to make a difference for a company. That's what I've done since I started my career. I started in this world of technology when we did our work with punch cards and assembler. The green paper at the bottom brings me comfort. There's some simplicity, some warmth in a coding paper that we're for assembler. But it's evolved so fast. And that's the thing I would say is you've got to be open to change. You've got to be open to staying on top of technology because we're not dealing in punch cards and assembler anymore, right? We're very cloud native at AT&T. Like we have moved everything to the cloud, or we are moving everything to the cloud. We are really state of the art in the technology that we bring. So I don't want anybody to remember the punch card or remember the assembler, coding paper. Remember where we are. We have the state-of-the-art technology for data and AI. There's nothing out there that's better than what we use, because that's the one thing that I believe we've got to bring the right tools to AT&T to deliver that value that I talked about. So at AT&T, it is a data and AI person's playground. I mean, an amazing amount of data that flows through the network. You can see how many miles of network we have going across, almost 4 million miles of connectivity across the world, and over 615 petabytes of data flows through the network every day. And that comes into the Chief Data Office, right? We take it, we curate it, and we make it the data that the company needs to operate its business, to deliver the value to our customers on a daily basis. And it's growing, right? So the work that we do, right, is just getting more and more important. AI is a huge focus. And of course, it's not new at AT&T. Claude Shannon, right, with his mechanical mouse in 1950, right, was kind of a grandfather of AI. At AT&T, right, we were kind of in the room where it happens, right? The Hamilton line there, right? In the room where it happens. When AI, the term artificial intelligence was first created, AT&T was there, right, in that workshop with IBM, with Harvard, with Dartmouth, right? So we're not new. We're doing great things with AI. We created, the precursor to R, C, right? Unix. We've been using neural networks for a while. It's the next evolution of a neural network, right? And then in the 2000s, right, we had a team member, right, who fantastic person, Chris Valinsky, who won the Netflix Recommender Prize, right? $1 million to the person who can build the best personalization solution, on the planet. AT&T won that. We ranked number 6 in patents for U.S. companies. It's a pretty good, nice neighborhood, right? The neighbors in that space, they're pretty good to be close to and part of. And we continue to create patents at the same rate we've done in the past. That's hard. And we look across the company, we look at the value that we create. Again, that's why we're here. 600 models in production. And if I talk about value, it's billions of dollars of value on an annualized basis that this company creates with data and AI. So it's a meaningful thing. We always think about how we influence free cash flow. Free cash flow is what drives the stock value of AT&T. We're hyper-focused on that. And the billions of dollars that we help generate across the company with AI, is an important part of that free cash flow. Traditional AI is not new. AT&T's been there doing it a long time. We're on the baby steps. AI has the same, similarities to human intelligence. Baby steps. We're not there yet, right? But these are the different phases. It's everything from optimization, right? We have a huge fleet of vehicles that we dispatch every day. Optimizing how those vehicles roll, it's a very complex, linear algebra problem, right? And the optimization problems solutions that we've created make a big difference for the company and to our customers, right? If you're an AT&T customer, when we tell you we're going to visit you, it's important that we make it on time. It's important that we visit as many customers as possible every day. That's a very difficult problem. So we solve that with data and AI. How we plan out the network. Lots of different options here, a lot of capital investment to make sure we do it right. We use data and AI to make that smart. This is one of the big areas of where neural networks has been used for a long time. We're talking about generative AI. It's natural language processing on steroids. We've used this in our call centers forever, and now we're doing it even better. Fraud reduction. We have over 30 models, kind of a Skynet, that protect our customers and our company from fraud. So that happens on a daily basis. Whenever you interact at a store, in a digital channel, with any part of AT&T, all that's being evaluated in real time with AI. And then finally, computer vision. Again, another form of what's becoming, incredible with generative AI. We've been using it for a long time. If you're going to dig around your house, if you're going to do a repair, we take a picture of that and we evaluate that to say, was it done right? Is it okay? So all examples of how we've used AI forever. Generative AI is such a seismic change in how we do things, but it's tied to what we've done forever, right? The holy grail of all of this, it's data, it's automation, it's traditional AI and generative AI. That's what makes a difference. This next phase, bringing all that along, will change the way we work. You've heard people say it's the iPhone moment for AI. This is actually bigger than that, right? It will change the way we work. It will change the way we live. It will change the way we act. This is a seismic movement in what's possible. And what you've heard is how AT&T has embraced and raced to really make this part of who we are, right? Part of what we do. And we have incredible goals to deliver this to make a difference in how efficient we are, in how we find new opportunities to serve our customers, and in how we just run the business in general. So it's an exciting time. Things change on a daily basis. But we're doing it to deliver value for the company. So for those who are in school, for those who are looking for jobs, AT&T is an incredible place to work. The Chief Data Office is a fantastic family. We're doing things that matter. We'd love to talk to you after the fact. So James, I think we'll turn it over for questions and answers.
Thank you, Andy.
Well, you ask the questions and we'll answer.